Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Coursera Plus subscription. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone and go to Coursera.org. Click Login and sign in with the same email, Google, Apple, or Facebook account you used to purchase Coursera Plus. After you are logged in, look at the top right corner and click your profile picture or initials. In the drop-down menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, find and click Billing. If you do not see Billing, click Subscriptions or Payments, depending on your account layout. In the Billing or Subscriptions area, locate Coursera Plus under your active plans. Click Manage Subscription next to Coursera Plus. Carefully check whether your plan is monthly or annual so you understand the renewal schedule. Find the option that says Cancel Subscription or Cancel Plan and click it. If Coursera asks why you are canceling, select any reason that matches you and continue. Read the message about access ending on the next billing date. Then click Continue. If you see an offer to pause or discount your plan, ignore it if you want a full cancellation. Click Confirm Cancellation to finish the process. Wait for the confirmation screen that says your subscription is canceled or set to not renew. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Open your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation email from Coursera. If you do not receive an email within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder. Go back to Coursera.org and recheck the billing page to confirm the status shows canceled or renews off. If you subscribe through the Coursera mobile app, open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, tap Subscriptions, and find Coursera. On Android, open Google Play, tap your profile icon, tap Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, and find Coursera. Cancel the subscription inside Apple or Google if it is managed there, because Coursera cannot cancel third-party billing. After canceling, keep using Coursera Plus until the end of your current paid period if access is still active. Avoid starting a new payment by ensuring you do not re-enable auto-renewal on the billing page. If you were charged after canceling, go to Coursera Help Center and open a billing support request with your receipt. Include your account email, the charge date, and a screenshot of your cancellation confirmation for faster support. Stay signed out and sign back in once to refresh your subscription status if the page looks outdated. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.